A one-day free medical health camp was held at Ibudau Khuman Popo Community Hall at Karang under Thanga constituency yesterday. The health camp was jointly organized by Hingminasi Aikhoi, Chief Medical Officer Bishnupur Health Department and Karang Island Development Organization. Curfew at several areas of Meghalaya capital Shillong has been extended till further notice. According to media reports, earlier on Sunday last, apprehending serious deterioration of law and order in Shillong, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills had ordered reimposing of curfew in the city with effect from 9 p.m. on Sunday to 6 a.m. today. The situation remained tense as hundreds of people from Assam gathered at Nagaland Gate in Lahore region protesting detention of 30 to 40 non-Naga people of Nagaland police in the name of inner line permit. As per sources, the protesters from the border areas in Assam's West Karbi Anglong district blocked the National Highway 39 and prevented Nagaland vehicles from entering Assam at Lahore region near Dimapur town. Rajkumari Borthakur from Bengaluru, an innovator who originally hails from Assam, won the Silver Award at the Arohan Social Innovation Awards 2019. According to reports, she bagged the awards for inventing TJ, an Internet of Things or Artificial Intelligence AI, powered smart wearable device that can predict epileptic attacks and identify mental health states. In a series of operations, the Border Security Force has been able to nab drug peddlers in BSF uniform and seize contraband items worth Rs 7.76 crore. As per media reports, on intervening 9 of February 29th and March 1st, BSF troops in different operations succeeded to seize 2,000 Yaba tablets worth Rs 10 lakh, ganja weighing 92 kg worth 7 lakh 82,000 and other contraband items having a combined market value of 8 lakh 13,000.